Ah, beloved Famiri, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. I don't know if you missed me, but I missed you. I'm so happy to be back with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show y'all some of my tips and hacks for deep conditioning your hair, especially low porosity hair. And I'm showing you some of my favorite deep conditioners. And I felt like I needed to do that because if I look back on my hair last year and how toe up my hair looked, my hair did not look effectively moisturized, people. I look at my hair and I'm just like, honey, girl, what was you doing, baby? What was you? Sweetie, what was you doing? Your hair was not moisturized, sweetie. So just to make sure that y'all don't have the same problem, I kind of, want to share my favorites and I want to share my tips. So let's just start with my favorite deep conditioners. First up, we have our beloved main choice tropical moringa deep conditioner. We also have our Holy Grail Mielle Organics hydrating conditioner. We have the very controversial Maui Moisture Vanilla Bean Deep Conditioner. Yeah, I know some of y'all canceled it. I don't know what to say though. I still like it. So we have that, and we have the OG Holy Grail, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Deep Conditioner. Nobody can tell me anything about this deep conditioner. Whether you have low porosity hair, high porosity hair, if you are protein sensitive, this does have protein in it. This is such a good deep conditioner, and I'm gonna be using this to show you some of my tips. Okay, let's just do that. So my first tip is when to apply your deep conditioner. I usually apply my deep conditioner in the shower straight after I've washed my hair with warm water. So my tip is do it in sections. Rinse out your conditioner with warm water, and then while your hair is still warm from the warm water, immediately apply your deep conditioner. I make a point of it to really just smooth my hair, deep condition my hair with it. I rake my hair really well, and I start to work on clumping my curls already. I find that if I smooth my hair with my fingers, if I detangle it while I put the deep conditioner in, I have a better result with curl clumpage, but also with moisture. The deep conditioner penetrates better. So that's my first tip. My second tip for a deep conditioner is the tip that applies for low porosity. If you notice that you have a deep conditioner that you love, but it just sits on top of your hair and you don't feel like it penetrates your hair, but it really does an amazing job, you know it's a good deep conditioner for your hair, this is my hack. It's very simple, but I just want to show you guys the difference. Dilute that deep conditioner with warm water. That's what I'm doing here. As you can see, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey is pretty thick, and even all those years, even though it was thick, I still loved it. When I dilute it, it's like it goes from a level 10 to 11 1 million. It's crazy. If you have not tried this deep conditioner, don't play yourself. I'm gonna put it in the description. I know y'all know this video was not sponsored. I just love me some Shea Moisture. I'm gonna put it in the description box and then you can check it out, okay? So as you can see, it's thick. I dissolved it and now it's thinner. I apply it to my hair. Watch my hair soak this bad boy up. It's crazy. So yeah, then I just do the regular deep conditioning stuff. I place a baggie on my hair. That's what I do, a plastic bag. I place it on my hair and then I sit under the dryer. If you have low porosity hair, when you deep condition, always use like a hair dryer to add some heat on top of it. And then afterwards, I just rinse it out. Look at the curls popping. Look at that beautiful moisturized hair. So that was it for today. I just quickly wanted to tell y'all that, and I wanted to say I miss y'all and good videos are coming. I just need to get the balance in my life together, okay? So I just wanted to give y'all a video. Leave me a comment, please, and let me know what is your favorite deep conditioner, what is your holy grail, and also add your hair type. So people who have high porosity hair can find some good masks as well. And if you're low porosity, hook a sister up and let me know which deep conditioners are the truth. So thank you so much for watching. As always, subscribe if you're new, and if you super loyal, turn on the notifications, because I'm kind of scared sometimes if you guys don't see my videos. So please do turn on the notifications and follow me on Instagram as well. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Like I said, y'all can see them in the screen. Okay, bye.